Have you ever been in a Zoom meeting and just wanted to quickly send a private message to someone in the chat? Well, Zoom just rolled out some updates and the private chat feature, well, it looks a little different. Hi everyone, I'm Betsy, and in this video, I'll show you step by step how to send a private message in Zoom's latest update so you can connect directly with the right person without interrupting the whole meeting. And if you want to learn more about the chat, we have a complete beginner's guide to Zoom right here. Just stick with me and you'll know exactly how to use this feature with confidence. All right, let's go take a look. This is brand new. So if you haven't noticed already, you're like, what's that? Everyone and new chat. That is the new way to DM someone in a chat on Zoom. I've had a couple people, they'll message me in a Zoom and they're like, how do I message the host privately anymore? We used to be able to put their name down here at the bottom. Like that was the way we did it in the beginning. See, like down here where it says message everyone, now it doesn't like let you pick people. So what you have to do is you have to go over there to the button with the plus sign and you have to click on new chat and then you get to private message people. Now I turn this setting off so I don't let you private message other people. I think it's off for this meeting because I'd rather all the questions come to me and the co-host. But if I wanted to message Chef Marion privately, I'd pick her name and then I would send her message. And then now that's a private message there. See, now she's got a private chat with me and I can do that with each of you just by picking your names. And that's how you private DM people now. When it's time for me to go back to the main chat, I have to click on everyone right there. That brings it back to the main chat. And that's it. Now you know how to send a private message in Zoom with this new update. And if this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Zoom tips and tech tutorials, and leave me a comment below if you want me to cover any other Zoom updates, because I follow them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.